Today is my daddy's birthday. His favorite cake is caramel cake. I decided to bake him his favorite cake. Let's get started. Alright, first we're going to start off by using 2 sticks of butter. Make sure you keep them at room temperature so they can be nice and fluffy. Then you're going to use a half a cup of oil, room temperature. 3 cups of sugar. Then we're going to use 5 eggs, room temperature. So when you crack 1 egg, you blend it. You do this until all 5 eggs are used. I haven't baked this cake since I haven't baked this cake in 18 years. I'm not going to tell y'all my age. It's been a long time since I baked this cake. I told my family that I want to start back practicing on baking cakes. So I told them every time their birthday come, they're going to get a cake until I get better and better at baking because I stopped baking. Don't ask me why. Alright, so now you see how we doing the eggs. And this is how it's going to look after you're done. Look at there, nice and fluffy. Alright, so we're going to use 1 cup of milk, 3 cups of flour. Then you're going to blend it. After each cup of flour, you do 1 cup of flour at a time. Alright, I'm going to add a little more oil because it seemed a little stiff. So that's like 2 teaspoons of oil. Then we're going to do 1 teaspoon of vanilla to give it that flavor. Alright, then you're going to preheat your oven to 350 and you're going to bake these for 30 minutes. You're going to put them in 3 pans. Make sure you oil your pans. Alright, this how it's going to look before it go in the oven. Oh yeah, that's my little taste pan. I like to taste the cake. Alright, let's get started on this icing. You're going to use 1 cup of melted butter, 2 cups of brown sugar. Then you're going to let that come to a boil. You're going to mix it around. Make sure you're mixing it while it's boiling. And then after this get through boiling, we're going to set it to the side and let it cool. So it's boiling. We're going to add our half a cup of milk. Alright, then we're going to let it boil a little bit more. Alright, now it's time to get ready and let it cool. Put the top on it. Change it to another eye. Alright. So after it cool, we're going to use 4 cups of powdered sugar. And we're going to pour our butter and brown sugar mix in there. And then we're going to blend this thing and watch it turn into icing. Make sure you get it all blend up. Starting to look so pretty. Blend it just a little bit more. Alright, Let's icing this cake. So the icing is kind of loose. So we're just going to put some icing on here. Then we're going to set this bad boy in the refrigerator and let it get a little stiff on this cake. All right, so the recipe ingredients are going to be in my description box. You can touch it and go to my website and print off the recipe, or you can get it from here. Either way, at tabooskitchen.com. That's my website name, y'all. All right, let's put it in the refrigerator. This how it look before it go in the refrigerator. We're going to leave it in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes. All right, it's done. It's ready to take to my daddy. It's ready to go to my daddy, I mean. All right, thank you all for watching my channel. Come back and see me now. Bye.